I'm Chris Sissons, Market Together, and here we are at Telling Stories Making Business on the 28th of March. Our storyteller this week is Stephen Dawson, who is a financial advisor, and he's been telling us a fascinating story about all or some of the cars that he's earned. So Stephen, how's it been for you?
Thanks, Chris. I found it really useful. The feedback I got from you guys was invaluable, and has really kind of got me thinking about how I can use some of those examples of sort of cars through my life, and others actually, and actually draw out more specific sort of learnings and illustrate points in my business. So thank you. Really interesting session. Lovely sandwich. Good company, and it's a really I'd encourage people to come, because it's a really safe environment, and it's very friendly, nice environment, and certainly I've got a huge amount of value out of it, and we'll continue to sort of develop this story and others and use them for the business. So thank you.
And thank you, Stephen. The next session is actually somewhat different, and that's on Tuesday the 9th of April at 108 The Moor, where we're going to be running a workshop called How to Tell Your Marketing Stories Online. I'm running that workshop with Carmel Page, who is a professional performance storyteller. There'll be a link to that somewhere around this video. The next Telling Stories Making Business is actually on the 9th of May, and the storyteller is Sue Kerr of the Elite Network, and that's 12:15 at the Rood Shipyard. So hopefully we'll see you all there on the 12th of May. Thank you.